See, that case has been disposed of. We had given a minutes of order in which we have given the measures which will be taken, the recommendations of the expert which was suggested by the applicant. All the recommendations have been accepted. The procedure, details and precaution which is required to be taken at the time of relocation have been agreed upon, and based on that the court has accepted the minutes of order which we had produced before the court, and the court has permitted translocation of that tree. Then the court has also said that this translocation will be supervised and controlled by the forest officer, and all precautions will be taken as mentioned by the expert report of the applicant, and that is how that case is disposed by the court. So now it is possible for the government or the contractor to translocate that particular tree for the purpose of carrying out the work in furtherance of the project.